Hi, my name is Christina Line from Aroma Line Training, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can blend essential oils into a water-based product, and we're going to make a little rollerball so that you can take it around with you wherever you might be going. So as we know, oil and water don't mix. So we need something that is going to allow the essential oils to disperse all the way through your water-based product nicely and evenly. And with that, we use something called solubilizer. You might see it listed as polysorbate 20, but it's naturally derived from sugarcane, so it's a natural product. And we use this to add the essential oils into, and then we add that to the water, and that disperses it nice and evenly through the water base. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to add some solubilizer. So my bottle, my rollerball bottle, is a 10 ml size. So I need to add 2 ml of solubilizer to my beaker, which literally a little bit more. And then to that solubilizer, I'm going to add my essential oil. So I'm using a blend today called the antiviral blend, and I'm going to add 15 drops. The reason I'm using the antiviral blend is because I'm recording this at the time of the coronavirus, so we're in lockdown, and I want to use something that's going to help to really boost my immune system so that I can then fight against any respiratory viral infections that might be going on around me. So that's what the antiviral blend does. So if you would like to know more about the antiviral blend, I've got a bite-sized learning and aromatherapy series available in my Aroma Line shop on eBay. So you can pop across to that and have a look. And there's a lot more information about this blend. So I'm going to add 15 drops to this solubilizer. 15, there we go. And then very gently, we're just going to mix that in together, okay? And what you want is you want to be able to see that all the essential oil has blended in nicely into the solubilizer. You're doing that quite gently. It will generally stay this colour. If you have something like tangerine, if you're using tangerine, then it might go a little orangey, or if you're using German chamomile, which is blue, then it will go blue. But very gently just blend that together, and that looks okay. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some purified water. Now, purified water you can get from beauty suppliers, but if you don't happen to have any of that at home, then bottled water will work just as well. And this has been in the fridge, so it's nice and cool. So I'm now going to add that. So I'm going to top this up to 10 ml. Actually just slightly over, just to make sure I've got enough. So and then again, very gently, I'm going to blend that together. So at the moment you can see that actually it's quite gloopy. You can see that solubilizer product in that water. So you have to very gently mix that together. And very gradually it will start to blend in. It's getting there. Still a little bit of solubilizer that I can see, so we'll keep going. Yeah, see now we can start to see that it's really starting to blend in there. And what that has done, that has dispersed the essential oils throughout that water. That looks good. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm now going to add this to my rollerball product. Up to the shoulder of the bottle. Now you may have some bottles that if you place the rollerball into the lid, like so, and then you put the lid on the top of the rollerball and just twist, it will go in nicely. It doesn't do it on this one. So it's okay for me to do this because I'm using this rollerball, but what you're going to do is you just put that into the top like so. Now you're going to need some force with this. I'm just going to put this down on the table, and with the palm of my hand I'm going to apply force so that that just pops in. So if you just give me a second. There. Okay, so that has gone in quite nicely. And then you just put your lid on, and then of course add a little label as well, just so you know what it is. So that is my rollerball product, and I can take that with me wherever now. So I've got protection, working at boosting the immune system, and the way I would apply this is I would roller it under my nose so that I'm breathing it in all the time. So it's a fantastic way of applying essential oils through a rollerball bottle. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that video. It would be really great if you can subscribe to my channel, Christina Line, on YouTube, and then there'll be lots more information, more videos about different essential oils. Of course, you can go to my website, www.aromaline.com, for more information, and my Aromaline shop on eBay has all the different blends that you can purchase, and you can also purchase the bite-sized training as well. And the aim of that is so that you can use essential oils safely and effectively at home. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.